Hello traders. I wish to all of you a profitable week. The topic of this video will consist in finding the best levels to enter a trade with a minimum drawdown. To find these levels require patience and not letting your emotions rush into insignificant trades, but focusing at the best ones, no matter how long does the market to reach these levels. Takes time and experience to approach the market in this way. Most of the new traders rush into trades without strong biases and market analysis. They behave like this because they need that adrenaline that market gives. The emotions drive them. In this daily chart we have Euro-US We shared this setup on Premium channel on 24th of January. Let's start our analysis. We see clearly an uptrend. An uptrend is formed by higher high and higher lows. We are going to define them. We see that price broke the previous higher low. This is a sign that trend could change. We are drawing the market structure with lines in order to make the explanation simpler to you. After that breakout we wait for pullback at second higher high. At this zone we can find sniper entry opportunity with great risk-reward ratio. This approach is based on DOW theory of trend change. The trend change occurs when prices retreat so sharply from the highs that they break out the previous higher low. At this point, the trend structure is broken because the market shows a higher high and a lower low. This pattern requires significant volatility off the high to take out the higher low in one swing. It is an essential pattern because it often suggests trapped trend traders and can set up very attractive reversal trades. The actual trend change is more complicated in this case, requiring two more steps. The next rally must fall short of the previous high, but the trend change is not confirmed until the market again breaks the previous low. Because it would be possible for market to put in a lower high at B point, hold a higher low than C point, and then continue in an uptrend. The only way to be certain that the market will show the lower high and lower low is for the previous low to fail to hold as support. In simple words, that's what the DOW theory says about trend change. Make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos. Let's shift again to our real market setup. We are on the 4-hour chart. We noticed a fresh supply zone that correlate with resistance level. This zone could offer us some fantastic sniper entries. Price bounced from a support level and is pulling back. Market has created an AB equals CD pattern. The completion of this pattern correlate with a resistance level. We have two options here. The first one is to enter right with AB equals CD confirmation. The second option is to wait for further pullback at supply zone and enter a sell trade there. In this case you must choose. Both options have pros and cons. We decided for the second option because risk-reward was greater than the first option. We are highlighting the demand zone that will serve as a target. Price dropped right away according to first scenario and reached the target precisely at demand zone. We missed the entry because the price didn't pull back at supply zone according to our second scenario that we choose. Even though the price didn't touch, the supply zone remains a strong level with a lot of sell pressure. If you want to join mentorship program, check the link on the description. We have a fresh point of control of a daily cluster. We are looking closely this zone in the future. Price developed and here we are with a new opportunity. As I always said, if you missed a trade, don't worry, market always gives you new opportunities. Don't forget that. Price has made an impulse, a correction and a potential impulse towards supply zone. The Fibonacci projection shows us a potential AB equals CD pattern. The D point correlate with supply zone. Similar confirmations with previous example, but in this case the pattern completes at supply zone. Always put the stop loss above the supply zone, do not be greedy. The first target in this setup is the demand zone, that correlate with point of control. We can hold some part of the position towards the greater target. As we see price touch the supply zone and completed the AB equals CD perfectly, we can sort this type of entry as a sniper entry. The entry level was very precise and price respected perfectly. Price reached the first target sharply and continued falling more. In this video you saw how powerful these fresh levels are.